Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamran and you're watching my YouTube channel. Welcome. In today's video tutorial, I will give you a demonstration about the configuration or the installation of Apache Kafka data streaming in Windows machines. So the next you will see my computer screen. Thank you so much. So hi guys, this is my computer screen. Let's begin with the today's tutorial. For the tutorial, we have to go to the Kafka site, which is Apache kafka.apache.org, and you can go to the download option here. Here you will find multiple versions are available. For example, 2.7, 2.6, 2.6.0. So there are a lot of versions are available. You can download the latest version. This is the link to download it, and you see the download is started. Basically this packaged file, it's pre-configured file, so there is nothing specific for the installation. You just come here into your downloads and just say extract here, and your your installation is done. You can just rename it as Kafka, and if you see here, it have the pre-configured packaged folder for you, which contain bin, and these files basically used under Linux, and these file under the Windows folder, which have the Windows file bat files available for you to start the Kafka and the Zookeeper. Under the Kafka you have config folder as well, and this folder contain the configuration property files, which you can change it accordingly as per the need of your environment. You can change the server properties and the Zookeeper properties to set the location of the logs as well. For initially the logs is going into the temp directory under your C drive. If you see here, it have a temp folder, so normally it populate the logs here as well. So now let's see Kafka in action quickly. This time I will open my command prompt. Before I go to the command prompt, let me go to the downloads and copy this Kafka folder under the C drive. Why I am doing this? Because sometime the Kafka gives some unexpected errors. So I found this on the community, that please move the Kafka directory into your C directory, then it work. And ideally speaking, it worked actually for me as well. So that's why I'm moving into the C drive. And now let's start the Kafka server. So this time I will go to C home directory, and then the Kafka directory which I recently moved. And this time to start the Zookeeper, there is a command I copied already, so I will share this as well with you. Just need to paste it here. What this command basically is doing, we are going under the bin directory and then the Windows directory, and we are starting our Zookeeper with the bat file, which is zookeeper-server-start bat, and there is a mandatory argument which have to pass, which is the Zookeeper property file, which is under the config folder. So now when we enter, so basically it starts the Kafka on port 2181. So this is the first thing. Now let me start the Kafka broker. So this time I will go again to the home directory and then Kafka directory, and I will start my my Kafka broker. Let's say enter, and it will start the Kafka broker at ID 0. It's started. Now the third thing, let me arrange this so in case if you want to see the logs and everything, you can easily see it. Let me just minimize this one a little bit so it will fit in the screen. So now I will open another command prompt, and this time and this time I will go to the C directory again, and then the Kafka. This time I will create some topics too, because my server is started, my broker is started, Zookeeper is started. Now this time to add some topics. So let me create a topic. To create a topic, this is the command where I'm hitting the Kafka topic bat file to create it under the Zookeeper localhost. This is the localhost port. If you see now, let me make it bigger. This is Zookeeper port with the replication factor 1 and the partition equal 1, because it's a single node. That's why we are using this prerequisite, the values, and the topic name here topic 1. So I just say enter. As soon as I say enter, and if you see it also change the logs of the our server as well, and now my topic is created. If you want to see how many topics we have in the server, so you just need to paste this command, which basically lists the topic under your local host, and then say enter. As soon as you enter, it say there is one topic available. For example, if you want to create another topic, you just say topic 2 and say enter, and you see the logs is also changing here. And now if you want to list, see, so we have 2 topics available in our Kafka server. So now next we will try to enter the data into this particular topic, and we'll see whether the consumer, our consumer, to insert the data into a topic, we use the property called producer. We produce the messages into the Kafka topics, and to see or to consume those messages, we use the consumer. So now this is the time to use the producer property, and to see the producer in action, we open another command prompt. This time let it be here, and I will go again to my home directory, then Kafka directory, and this time I will start adding a messages to this topic. And you see we are in the topic 1. Now you can say hi. See, this is basically gives some error. It means, if you see here, producer client console error, so it says there is some problem in the producer. So let me do one thing. Let me restart the server and see whether the Kafka works fine or not. I'll say Control C to exit from this mode, and I will start the server one more time. Sometime it gives such error. So this is the thing to restart my Kafka completely, and let me go back to the producer, and now I'm again in the topic, and this time I say hi, hello, how are you. It's up to you totally, whatever message you like. Let's say happy to learn, and then let me open another window to see whether our topic received this message, whether our topic have this message. Can we consume these messages? So to consume these messages, we need to go to the home directory again, and then the Kafka directory, and here we will see all the messages, whether they are exist in our topic or not. We'll see by this property, and we insert. If you see, the server already in action, and now we see all the messages are available. Now I have the consumer and the producer both running side by side. Can we enter more messages? Can we see how it really works? So this time I will add more messages. I can make it bigger as well. So let me make this one bigger so you will not confuse. Now let's say my first message, and if you see here it's automatically coming. It's real time connected. As soon as I enter, and you can see the message is coming. So basically this is just an introductory video for you guys to see Kafka in action. The next video inshallah I will make on Kafka through Confluent Kafka. So stay tuned for the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.